Welcome to your first module. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define accounting, describe its history, and explain the importance of accounting information in decision making. You're also going to gain an understanding of some of the various career opportunities available in the accounting field, as well as the role that ethics plays in accounting. So, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating financial information about an organization to the interested parties, whoever they may be, whoever's making a decision with that accounting information. The roots of accounting can be traced back thousands of years to ancient civilizations where record keeping was essential for economic and social organization. Over time, accounting has evolved to become a crucial component of modern business, aiding in decision making and financial planning and control. In today's dynamic business environment, accounting information is vital for stakeholders such as investors and creditors and managers. It helps them to assess the financial health of an organization. As such, accountants play a critical role in maintaining the integrity of financial information and ensuring compliance with laws and regulations. As you progress through this lesson, you're also going to explore the various career opportunities available in the accounting field, including public accounting and management accounting and government accounting and all different levels of accounting that are out there. You're also going to gain an understanding of the importance of ethics and the role of professional codes of conduct in ensuring the accuracy and transparency of financial reporting. So let's get started. It should take you approximately 3 to 4 hours to complete all the coursework. It may not take you that long, but again, that's what I recommend all my students. I will stop saying this after this lecture, but I just wanted to reiterate, if you can set aside 3 to 4 hours of time, you will be good, right? And that's for each module going forward. Also, just full disclaimer, I am shooting these videos at all different hours of the day, depending on when I can and when I'm ready. So I might have a different outfit. I might have shaved. It might be nighttime or daytime, depending on when you watch any of these videos I make. I hope you don't mind, and I hope you're not OCD about consistency, because you're not going to find it here. Okay. I have a lot of videos prepared for you going forward. If you have any issues with accessing any of these videos, please let me know. Reach out to me again, keck11@mctc.edu, or you can call me on my cell, 304-654-0075. And just let me know if you run into any issues, any technology issues. This is the first module, so we're just getting our feet wet. Just reach out if you have any questions. See you in the next one.